Hello, welcome to a new battle sounds video. Today, we are going to practice the w and v sounds. So, let's get started. So yes, the w, like John Wick, John Wick, or John Vick. Who's that? I don't know. Anyway. So the w voiced consonant sound in words like west and wine is easily mistaken for the v sound in words like vest and vine. This is a common mistake for many students, Eastern European, Ukrainian speakers. So it's worth practicing. Let's quickly practice how to make the shape. Sorry for the picture, that's my lips. So for the w sound, make the oo shape with your mouth. Ooh. Make the shape w. John Wick, wick. So you need to make a very round shape. And for the v sound, v, your top teeth touch your bottom lip. V. John Vick, John Vick, John Wick, John Vick. So let's practice with an activity. You're going to listen carefully to me. If you hear a word on the left, go left. If you hear a word on the right, then go right. And then which letter do you end on? So for example, so the w words are on the left, v on the right. So if I say the vine, go right. The vest, go right again. A while, a while, go left. Wow, go left. The answer is M. The vine, the vest, a while, wow. So let's try. Listen carefully. What letter do you end on? And I'm going to cover my mouth because you can see the sound. I want you to listen carefully. I have my notes here. Okay, are you ready? Let's go. Number one. The words can be in any order, left or right. W, v. Vow. The West. A while. The vine. One more time. Vow. The West. A while. The vine. Okay, did you catch it? If you want to practice, go back, listen again, or here are the answers. Okay, I said vow, right. The West, left. A while, left. The vine, right. If you got J, well done. If not, let's practice again. Test number 2. Listen carefully. Again, words in any order. I will block my mouth. Ready? Let's go. A while. The vine. A vial. The wine. Did you catch it? One more time. A while. The vine. A vial. The wine. Okay. Go back, listen again if you need. If not, here are the answers. Number 1, a while, left. The vine, right. A vial, right. The wine, left. The answer is G. Okay, great. So remember, pronunciation is a listening and speaking skill. So if you're studying, if you have a studying partner or another teacher, you could test each other to practice your listening and speaking skills. So test each other. Okay. And let's try a speaking activity. We've done listening. Let's now try speaking. So I have a tongue twister. Wow, have a look. Wow, the fine. Okay, repeat after me. I'm going to go backwards, back chain. Repeat after me. Ready? Let's go. On my vest. I vow not to spill on my vest. In the west. In the west, I vow not to spill on my vest. The vine was loved. The vine was loved in the west. I vow not to spill on my vest. It's difficult. The wine on the vine was loved in the west. I vow not to spill on my vest. Wow! 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 The wine on the vine was loved in the west. I vow not to spill on my vest. Okay, very good. This tongue twister, I made it myself. You can do the same. Just brainstorm a bunch of words that have a W sound, a w sound, and words with a v sound, and just make your own sentence and practice. If you practice a little by little, then hopefully you will get better. Okay, that's it for today. Go back into the playlist. There's battle sounds, qu and k, or qui and ki. There are so many. So have a look and practice. All right. See you next time. Thank you. Bye-bye.